please start the recording, man? Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So now here is the scenario. Here is the scenario. The scenario is this. Let's say I have two networks. One network is in public and the other network is in a private network. So the question is that I easily understand that in my public network, I am getting internet. In my public network, I am getting internet. But what about the private network? As said again and again, that private network is a network that don't have the internet. Got it? प्राइवेट नेटवर्क वो नेटवर्क होता है जिसमें इंटरनेट नहीं होता, पब्लिकली एक्सेस नहीं होता, इट वॉन्ट बी एबल एक्सेसिबल पब्लिकली, दैट इज नोन एज अ प्राइवेट नेटवर्क. You directly cannot access your public network, sorry, your private network, but you can easily access your, जुबेर पानी ले गया, you can easily access your public network, that you know. Let me create one VPC again from the scratch, and if you miss any part, let me know and revise the thing. Sorry guys. So the concept is for today is how do you provide internet to your private network? How do you provide internet? But now, why I required internet connection for a private network? Why? मुझे प्राइवेट नेटवर्क को इंटरनेट क्यों देना है? गाइस, आप किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए काम करें, you work for any XYZ organization, there they will keep their database, their cluster inside a private network. आप किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए काम करिए, वो सब अपने डेटाबेस, अपने क्लस्टर्स को प्राइवेट नेटवर्क में रखते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि डेटाबेस किसी भी कंपनी की प्रॉपर्टी होती है. Because database is the property of any organization. Now question is,
Yes.
suppose I have this is the scenario where I am running a public network here that is easily accessible, and here I am running same network on a private subnet. And you all knows about that we can access private instances from public subnet. This is very straightforward thing to you, already told you. मैं आपको पहले भी बता चुका हूँ कि आप अपना प्राइवेट नेटवर्क पब्लिक नेटवर्क से एक्सेस करते हो, और आप लोगों ने किया भी है. You have done that. Suppose this is my public network and this is my private network. These don't have internet, but as a user, I need to have internet here to update patches. एक यूजर होने के नाते मेरे को यहाँ पे पैचेस अपग्रेड करने हैं. ये मेरा डेटाबेस है, ये मेरा क्रिटिकल डेटाबेस है जिसके पैच अपडेट होने हैं. विदाउट इंटरनेट आई कैन नॉट अपडेट पैच. But this is a public net, private network. How do I do that?
ऐसा सब्यसाची.
Hey Sabya, tell me.
सर थोड़ा टॉपिक पता नहीं क्या था. इसका टॉपिक मैं अभी
आज का टॉपिक है आपके प्राइवेट इंस्टेंस जो कि इंटरनेट लेस होता है उसको इंटरनेट कैसे प्रोवाइड करेंगे? हाउ डू यू प्रोवाइड इंटरनेट टू योर प्राइवेट इंस्टेंसेस? I told you two things, that we have public network and we have private network. We have public subnet, we have private subnet. In public subnet, you will attach internet gateway to access internet. But in private, you cannot attach. It is internetless. आप पब्लिक नेटवर्क में, पब्लिक सबनेट में आप इंटरनेट एक्सेस करने के लिए आप इंटरनेट गेटवे का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. बट प्राइवेट में अगर मेरे को इंटरनेट चाहिए, सपोज दिस इज योर डेटाबेस, let's say this is your database and you need to update patches here. You need to download patches and you need to upload patches here. Suppose this is your Jenkins server. You need to update plugins. But this is in private subnet. The private subnet don't have the internet. Then how do you? This is the concept. Do you understand? Sabya? Sabya?
नहीं सर, नहीं सर,
है? क्या?
नहीं सर, सर
नहीं
मुझे
समझ?
कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं सर, कॉन्सेप्ट थोड़ा डाउट हो रहा है. मतलब नेटवर्क की, मतलब सर इंटरनेट की बात करें ना कि वी हैव द
हाँ,
इंटरनेट ऑफ प्राइवेट
मैं
एंड.
इंटरनेट की बात कर रहा हूँ.
ओके.
Okay, hang on. Let me start with the practical, then I think आपका doubt clear होगा. Okay.
यस.
Let me create one VPC here. बाकी राहुल, सागर एंड स्नेहा, आप लोगों को कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है या कुछ डाउट है? हेलो.
नहीं, समझ में नहीं आया सर.
चलिए, नहीं आया, मैं आपको समझाऊंगा. पहले एक VPC बना लेता हूँ मैं शुरू से. ओके. शिवराम, आई एम क्रिएटिंग अ VPC.
Yes, sir. I'm following, sir. Yep.
Sure. Sneha VPC. This is my VPC name, and I am taking CIDR is 10.0.0.0/16. Tenancy's default VPC name is this, and I had created a VPC. Now tell me, Rahul, Sneha, Sabya, what is the next step I have to create after creating a VPC? What will be my next step?
सबनेट हम करते हैं ना.
Subnet. Absolutely perfect. Bang on. Sneha, you deserve a party from Rahul. Now create two subnet. One is public subnet, one is private subnet. So I have selected a VPC created for this. Now here I have created one subnet, that is Sneha public. So all my public traffic will go here on this net. Availability zone, I have given anything US2B, let's say. And here I have given 10.0.0.0/24. And I say create subnet. Now my subnet is created. It's a public subnet. Remember guys, it's a public subnet. All public traffic will go from here. Now I will create another subnet, that is Sneha private. And the network range is 10.0.1.0/24. Now what will be the next step? To create an internet gateway. So I'll create an internet gateway. And create internet gateway. Click on this. Whatever the name you wish to give, Sneha IGW, that is internet gateway. Create internet gateway. Now your internet gateway is created, but it is detached. So you guys, you have to go here and attach it with any of the XYZ VPC, whatever the VPC. I said this VPC and attach. Now, all three things done. VPC created, subnet created, internet gateway created. Now, I have to create a route. Route in the sense where my public network will flow. My public network will go. So I will create another single route table. And I say Sneha, public route. So I have created one route for this. And here I have to associate subnet. So this is for public. So I said edit subnet, and here I'll attach a public net. Save associate. Click on route table again. Attach the internet gateway. Zero dot zero internet gateway. Sneha, save changes. I have created everything. Now I'll create again one more route table. मैं एक राउट टेबल और बनाऊंगा अपने प्राइवेट नेटवर्क के लिए. तो आई विल गिव द नेम स्नेहा private VPC is this. Create a route table. So now go here, subnet associate, edit subnet. वहां पे जाके प्राइवेट नेटवर्क में अपना अटैच कर दूंगा. आई अटैच माय प्राइवेट नेटवर्क. Now guys, everything is completed. Let me create one instance. Rahul, can you please stop recording for a second? I'll be back in a minute. Let me place my headphone. I'm having difficulty.
Yes.
Just give me a second. Stop the recording.
Yes.
So guys, so far what we have done, we have created VPC, our own network. हमने अपना एक VPC बनाया, अपना एक network बनाया. We have created subnet. हमने उसमें दो सबनेट बनाए, एक पब्लिक नेटवर्क के लिए, प्राइवेट नेटवर्क. हमने इंटरनेट गेटवे अटैच किया ना प्राइवेट नेटवर्क के साथ, पब्लिक नेटवर्क के साथ. वी हैव अटैच्ड इंटरनेट गेटवे विद पब्लिक नेटवर्क. Why I am doing these everything? Why I am doing so? Why I am doing creating this? So now coming back to the concept once again. I'll come back to the concept once again. We have two subnets, one for public network, one for private network. This is clear to you, I think. Any question in that? Sabya, Sneha, Rahul, Sagar?
No, sir.
Sabya?
सर वो सबनेट कहाँ पे विजिबल नहीं हो रहा है स्क्रीन में, मतलब
Now, what is the meaning of subnet? I already explained everything to you. That subnet
yeah
is the dividation of the network.
yes.
Now, in an organization, if I'm talking about in terms of organization, they have two types of network. One is public network that is available open for all. One is private network. Mostly it contains database. Sabya, is it clear to you?
yes yes वो concept clear है sir.
Now, in other manner, like few people are having in the house, we are living in the houses. We have one bedroom, one drawing room. So now, drawing room is for public. Anyone can came and sit and go and out. But bedroom is the private property. I don't want to expose my bedroom to anyone. That is known as the private network. But here, in my public network, I can easily I can easily play TV, music, because everyone can came. Suppose I have two cable connections. I have two rooms and one cable connection. I have single dish TV. So what should I do? I will put my dish TV in my main room. I will put cable connection in one of my main drawing room, and I take one wire to attach my set-top box with this particular TV. Or you have only one main power extension in your house, but you need power, electricity in other room as well. So what is the easy solution you guys will do? You will plug the power in main connection and take the extension from this main and attach it to the other room. Is it clear, everyone? आपके घर में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सिर्फ एक ही रूम में होती है, तो आप क्या करते हो, एक एक्सटेंशन कॉर्ड लेके आते हो और उसको मेन इलेक्ट्रिक अपने रूम में लगा के आप उसको अपने बेडरूम तक लेके चले जाओ। या आपके घर में सिर्फ एक ही वाईफाई है, एक ही वायर, एक ही इंटरनेट कनेक्शन है, तो आप क्या करते हो, अपनी एक वायर अटैच करते हो आप इसके साथ में और अपने रूम तक लेके चले जाते हो। जिससे क्या होता है, आप दोनों जगह पे इंटरनेट चला सकते हो। सभ्या क्लियर है?
Yes, yes.
स्नेहा, राहुल
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
and Shiva Kumaram, sorry, Shiva, any question on this particular topic?
No, sir, I'm starting off this one, right? So little bit confused for this.
No issue.
HM.
Understand that. Now, if I'll talk about in terms of company wise, guys, this is my public network, EC2, and this is my database. Although database I cannot expose to public because it's my sensitive data is there, but I need internet on this. I need internet on this particular machine because this is my database. It is running on any XYZ database, MySQL, Oracle, or whatever. But to do patching, what does this mean by patching? Means like you have cell phone in your hand. We all are using smartphones. So day by day, smartphone companies may upgrade their feature. And under settings, you will get an option to upgrade your cell phone. आपको सेटिंग के पास में एक ऑप्शन मिलता है जहां पे लिखा होता है अपग्रेड करना है आपको अपना सेल फोन। आता है नहीं आता? हेलो सभ्या, इसने आता है नहीं आता?
Yes, sir. आता है.
So why? वो क्यों आता है? ताकि आप अपने फीचर्स को अपडेट रख सको। The same thing is there with this database as well, that we need to update patches here. To update the patch, we require to connect this instance with internet. Patches को upgrade करने के लिए we require to connect with internet. That's why we require internet on our private subnet. Clear? Understood? Hello?
Yes.
Guys,
Yes, sir.
understood? Any question? See, if you are समझ नहीं आ रहा, please 50 बार पूछ लो. If you don't get, if you are not getting anything, please ask me so many times. I am ready to support.
Sir, as you said last time, कि पब्लिक को हम इंटरनेट दे रहे हैं और प्राइवेट को इंटरनेट नहीं दे रहे हैं क्योंकि हमें वो पब्लिक नहीं करना है इसलिए।
हाँ,
बट अभी हम क्यों, आई मीन सर, अभी हम इंटरनेट यूज करेंगे प्राइवेट को, तो वो डेटा हमारा ये नहीं होगा, प्राइवेट में नहीं कन्वर्ट होगा, मीन पब्लिक में नहीं होगा क्या?
अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, मैं इस पे आता हूँ। आपका आंसर ये है ना, नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे मेरा आपका जो आंसर है वो मैं आपको देता हूँ। देखिए क्या होता है, we have two types of features. To answer to your question, we have two types of security feature. One is inbound, the other one is outbound. What is inbound? You know that traffic may came in my house, in my instance. And outbound, traffic may go outside of my network. Is it clear? Hello? Is it clear, Sneha?
Yes, sir.
So I will stop all inbound connection here. So nobody can access my machine. Only I can access the website, but no other people can access my website. सिर्फ मैं उसकी इनबाउंड को बंद कर दूंगा तो सिर्फ मैं ही उसे एक्सेस करूंगा मैं ही उस
বড় চার্জারটা লাগবে ওরা নিয়েছো তোমার চার্জার
सिर्फ मैं उसको मैं ही एक्सेस करूंगा कोई और उसको एक्सेस नहीं कर पाए मैं जिस जगह जाना चाहूंगा मैं जा सकता हूँ कोई मेरे रूम में नहीं आ सकता क्लियर है
Okay.
डेटा ब्रीच तब होगा जब कोई बाहरी सिस्टम से मेरे सिस्टम में कोई अंदर आएगा डेटा ब्रीच occurred when someone came from outside in my EC2 instance, in my subnet, in my system. But here, I'll block all incoming traffic for my machine so that only I can access the outer world. No other people can access. So, Sneha, does this answer to your question?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's create instance. So, I have public subnet, I have private subnet. Now, let's go to the VPC, EC2, sorry. So what I do in this practical today, I will create two instances. One instance is in public network and the other one I will create two network. One I will create two instances. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create two instances. One is in public network, other one is in private network, and then I'll access my public instance in my private. For this, you have to launch the instance first. And this is the interview question as well, that how do you provide internet to the network that is in private sub. So this is the most important interview question for you people. How do you provide internet to the instance that is in private sub? Well, this is my instance. Slow network. So this instance should be in my public network. So network, I'll choose Sneha 10%. So now In Sneha, I have two network, public and private. I said public, and then I said add storage. Everything will remain as it is. Just put a tab here. SN public. Create a new key pair because I don't know whether this key is here or not. SN public. Download the key pair. Not instance. I have launched one instance. Now I need to launch another instance in private. Go to launch instance again. Select. Here, go and choose as well as network. Stay. Right. Add storage, add tags, give the tagging. Name equals to SN. Right. Integer, open all the flows. Review and launch. So now both my instances have been launched. तो मैंने गलती कर दी था दोनों एक ही नेटवर्क में डाल दिए मैंने पब्लिक वाला भी प्राइवेट में डाल दिया प्राइवेट तो नहीं प्राइवेट I have created both in the same network. Let me launch one instance inside the public network. Here, use public. And always say auto assign public IP enable and storage hashtags. Done. I'm sharing one new link with you. This is getting expired. Till the time my account is also getting used.